So the Enchanted Halloween Festival
You saw a rattlesnake? Oh my gosh, that's scary.
is all about getting people outside at this time of year and connecting them to what's happening. So this year the topic is nighttime is a great time to explore, and it really is. So our festival and our trail are really focused on family positive experiences outside. So everything's family friendly, and we do education about creatures at night, which is a lot of fun. It has been great. So we have different games that happen, different like small educational activities that we have going on, and then we have face painting and musicians. We have some roaming singing pumpkins.
Got one.
There you go, so get in there.
And then we also have a trail that happens, and that's part of a Penn State course. And so Doug Wensel oversees the teaching of that course. There are groups that go through in a guided experience, and then they get to different spots along the trail where there's a short environmental message. So we've got a lot going on.